Welcome to the Sun and Aurora forecast. Solar activity is currently moderate with ongoing C-class flaring. Active region 4513 lies 4 degrees north and 16 degrees east of disk center. It covers 220 millionths of the solar disk and contains 22 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is EAC, and its magnetic class is BG. During the past day, it produced 1 C-class flare. Active region 4517 lies 10 degrees north and 4 degrees east of disk center. It covers 90 millionths of the solar disk and contains 6 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is DAO, and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4515 lies 8 degrees south and 30 degrees east of disk center. It covers 40 millionths of the solar disk and contains 1 sunspot. Its Macintosh class is HSX, and its magnetic class is A. It produced no flares during the past day. Active region 4516 lies 17 degrees north and 49 degrees west of disk center. It covers 10 millionths of the solar disk and contains 4 sunspots. Its Macintosh class is BXO, and its magnetic class is B. It produced no flares during the past day. 4 active regions are visible on the solar disk today. These groups contain a total of 33 individual sunspots. The estimated sunspot number stands at 73, while the radio flux measures 130 SFU. The current GOES X-ray level is B7.0. The most recent flare was a C2.2 event. Over the last 24 hours, we detected 6 C-class flares, with 0 M-class and 0 X-class events. For the remainder of today, there is a 45% chance of an M-class flare and a 10% chance of an X-class flare. And here is the strongest flare of the past 24 hours. We have footage of a C3.5 event seen by NASA SDO across its ultraviolet channels. Solar wind speed is flowing at 352 kilometers per second with a density of 2.84 protons per cubic centimeter. The total magnetic field strength is 5 nanoteslas, and the BZ component is currently positive at 2 nanoteslas. The current planetary K-index is 0.67. The highest K-index measured over the last 24 hours was 2.33. Forecast models predict the highest K-index in the hours ahead will reach 2.3. Auroral power is currently estimated at 13 gigawatts in the northern hemisphere and 13 gigawatts in the southern hemisphere. For today, the highest expected K-index is 2.3 with no geomagnetic storm level forecast, and flare chances are 45% for M-class and 10% for X-class. On Tuesday, the expected maximum K-index drops to 1.7 with no storm level, while M-class and X-class flare probabilities remain at 45% and 10% respectively. Wednesday forecasts a maximum K-index of 1.7 with no storm level, and flare chances hold steady at 45% for M-class and 10% for X-class. Please remember these values are expectations, not measurements. NASA SDO AIA at 17.1 nanometers reveals bright coronal loops tracing magnetic fields in the Sun's upper atmosphere. At 30.4 nanometers, SDO AIA highlights prominences above the limb and long dark filaments crossing the solar disk. The 19.3 nanometer AIA view maps the hot corona, while darker areas can mark coronal holes with open magnetic fields. AIA at 13.1 nanometers is the Flare Watch channel, emphasizing extremely hot plasma in newly energized active regions. NASA SDO HMI shows the photosphere in visible light, where today's sunspot groups appear as dark structures across the solar disk. The HMI magnetogram maps opposite magnetic polarities, exposing the complex fields surrounding the active regions. SOHO LOSCO C2 blocks the bright solar disk to reveal the inner corona and material moving away from the Sun. The wider LOSCO C3 view follows the outer corona and provides a broad watch for coronal mass ejections traveling into space. Tonight's Aurora forecast plays on a rotating night-side Earth. The real ovation probability oval glows over the map, and significant cities are marked with their Aurora chance and local time for each universal time hour. In the north, Aurora should remain close to the Arctic Circle across northern Alaska, Canada, and Scandinavia, near 66 degrees north geomagnetic latitude. The strongest overnight window falls around 21:00 Universal Time. Now, the same night over the southern hemisphere. In the south, Aurora should stay mainly around Antarctica, near 66 degrees south geomagnetic latitude. Current hemispheric power reads north 13 gigawatts and south 13 gigawatts. The ovation oval peaks near 12% in the north and 14% in the south. The Sun stands 1.011 astronomical units away today. Its light takes 8.4 minutes to reach us. Solar cycle 25 is declining from its maximum around August 2024. That is all from the Sun today. Subscribe for your daily space weather briefing and for the weather on Mars.